Hello, class. Yes, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes. How old am I? Am I clear?
Yes, you are.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Before I begin this class, can you ensure that wherever you are, you have a good ventilation because we shall be having a session. So before you start, or ensure that everything is in place so that you cannot be distracted during this class. So, and ensure that you mark the register in the LMS. So you go through the content that I've also embedded, and I'll be opening, it will be active after this class. The slides that I'll be sharing will be active. So make sure you go through the content in the LMS. And any other clarification, I am there. You can find me at any time. Anywhere in school, when you come around, you can just find me. So today we are going to talk about something that is not new to us, and I know for the last 3 weeks we have been introduced to the unit of economics, and we have been dealing with the demand and supply, and most of us, we have understood what demand is, what supply is, and during that supply we touched some value. We were talking about the price, and this price, after talking about that brings us to the topic of money. So today we would like to talk about the topic of money, and money is something that each one of us knows. So as I share my screen, can somebody remind us or give us the definition of money? Anyone? So by the end, we should be able to define money, characteristics, types, and the functions. So anyone in class who can give us the meaning of money? Maybe from the slide, somebody to read for us.
Money refers to any asset which is widely acceptable in payment for commodities to settle transactions, as well as a medium of exchange.
Very good. So money is something that is accepted for payment of goods and services. So the next thing after the definition, we just have to look at what are these types of money. Jane, can you give us one of the type of money?
Commodity money.
Yes. Black money. I just wanted you to maybe to elaborate on the commodity money. What is it?
I read about it. It is the oldest type of money where goods and services are directly exchanged for other goods and services. Examples of commodity money include gold coins, shares, spices.
Yes, so this type of money is a money that our forefathers were using. Like there was the exchange of goods for goods and also services for services. And the next type of money is fiat money. Who can explain for us what fiat money is?
Fiat money gets its value from the government order, and also the government declares which they treat as a means of example money and the coin.
Wonderful. So fiat money generally is what we normally use, the coins and notes that the government has issued an order that it has to be used as money. So the next thing is mobile money, and we talk about mobile money being that money of technology that we have right now. We know we have the Safaricom, which provide us the M-Pesa. We have the telecom company, which provide us with what is known as the T-Cash, and we also have the Airtel money. So those are types of mobile money that we currently have in our country. Another type of money is plastic money, which we say that this involves the use of credit cards, which most of us have come across. And if you don't even have one, you have seen a friend using the same. So the next type is on fiduciary money, and this type of money is that we say that fiduciary money depends for its value on the confidence that will be generally accepted as a medium of exchange. For this category is like the two parties who are involving in a transaction must agree upon that they have confidence that it has money value, or there is a kind of money value that is attached to such documents or forms that are used as money. And that brings us to the next subtopic, which is on characteristics of money. Class, what are some of the characteristics of money?
Acceptability.
Yes, Jane, can you explain on acceptability?
Money is to be used as a medium of exchange for goods and services. Then it must be generally accepted as having value in exchange.
Okay, so class, when you talk about the acceptability as a characteristic of money, we say that money, whatever you are using, must be acceptable to those who are involved in using it as a mean of transaction. So the next characteristics is portability, and that money should be portable, should be easily carried around. And an example of this one, we talk about the money being portable. It should not require maybe a lot of energy to carry around, i.e. it should be easily carried around. So another characteristic of money is that money should be divisible. Who can explain for us what divisibility is? Class?
We have divisibility, which is all about money should be divisible into small units so that it can be used to exchange items of low value.
Very good. Money should be easily divisible. For example, if you have 1,000, you should be able to divide into several divisions. The next is on durability, and we say that money should be able to last long. Another one is on liquidity, and we talk about money should be able to quickly be converted into properties. The other thing I want to go and look at is on homogeneity and malleability as one of the characteristics of money. So that brings us again to the next subtopic, which is on functions of money. So number one, we said money act as a medium of exchange, and when we talk about being medium of exchange, most of us know that money is normally used for exchanging goods and services. Transaction of each daily use, we normally use money. So another form of or another function of money is that money is a measure of value. Who can explain for us that as measure of value? Class?
Commodities are valued in terms of money. A problem of fixing exchange rate is solved. This is because money provides a common denomination in which the values of various goods and services are expressed.
Very well understood. So money acts as a measure of value. So we'll just go and look at money again being a measure of wealth, and as a unit of account, store of value, and standard of deferred payment. So that brings us to the end of our discussion today. And for your assignment, I would like you to go and discuss or look at the evolution of money from the ancient times up to the digital money that we currently have in our systems of finance. So that brings us to the end of our discussion today, unless anyone has any clarification or a question to ask before we end our class. Class, are we okay?
Yes.
Okay, so until next time, may God bless you and see you through.
Thank you.